try this for baking or grilling. You think teriyaki based and glazed? I don't. If it's a sauce, teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce. Let me try this one. Teriyaki sauce. What is that? Yum yum sauce, rice vinegar. Sesame seed oil. I really wish that I didn't have that. I'm about to take that squash back. Come on. She's trying to come down. Hey you guys, welcome back. Today is actually the next day. I don't think I ended the vlog. My camera, right now I'm vlogging on my phone because something is up with my camera. So I may be in the market of purchasing a new camera. It keeps turning it off. Or maybe I can take it to a camera place to see if they can tell me what's going on with it. But we just left Sam's, as you saw. We really didn't see. We actually went there to get to check some prices on some tires because my husband needs new tires. But we ended up looking to see what they had, and we just picked up a little stuff because our deep freeze that's outside in the garage is getting fixed. So we wanted to wait until that is fixed before we buy up a whole bunch of meat to put in there. But right now we're at a new place called Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Yeah, Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Now I saw on TikTok, and I don't know if they have these like all around in different states or whatever, but I did see it on TikTok, so I know it has to be in other states because they said the Bahama Mama is a very good. This is Bahama Mama.
That's what we have.
What did you get?
Tropical something.
Why are there so many straws?
Because I got the flavored straw.
Oh. Oh, I didn't even know they sold these. So this is a strawberry lime flavor straw. I don't know. So it's hard. Ooh. There you go. Edible? Okay, so we're back home, about to get stuff prepared for this hibachi thing. So we just picked up a little bit of stuff from Walmart. Oh, my husband forgot my watermelon. That is in the car, but I wanted to do like a little fruit thing. Like I've been seeing on TikTok where people just do like a fruit fast, but I'm gonna maybe try that next week. But I did pick up some strawberries, some kiwi, some white peaches. These are like one of the best. I like these white peaches. Like I said, the watermelon's in there. For hibachi, we picked up our peas and carrots. I'm gonna grill some zucchini and squash. We do have one squash here, so yeah, we already had one here. Oh, and I forgot from Sam's, I did pick up this yellow dragon fruit. I've had the other dragon fruit, and it really doesn't have a taste. This one says it's sweet, ready to eat, so we're gonna see about that. We picked up some shrimp to go in there. My husband said get some mushrooms, some teriyaki sauce, sesame seed oil, rice and vinegar, and then some little non-food items. We picked up this drain cleaner because my kids keep clogging their sink somehow. My husband picked up some Twizzlers, those wipes, and I'm gonna try this for the shower. So that's just a little bit of stuff we got. Now we're about to, I guess, prepare this food. We did pick up some egg rolls, which were super greasy. My husband had to clean out the, like, was that grease or, I don't know, some type of oil was leaking from the egg rolls. Okay, Okay, my husband has got the steak and chicken on here that we're gonna use for our hibachi, which my hibachi grill's over there. Need to get that covered. It smells good. Okay, you guys, here is our shrimp fried rice. The rest of the food is in there. As you can see, it's getting dark now, so we just finishing up. You think it's ready to come off? Okay, you guys, here is our finished result. So it's just chicken, shrimp, some steak with the fried rice, and I did some little zucchini and squash. And my husband had picked up these egg rolls from this Chinese place. But yeah, my daughter said it's good with this sauce. So I'm gonna try to put some of this on mine. Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am currently in the bathroom getting ready for today. I worked, and today I only had to work 4 hours. So, and yeah, today is Friday, and like I said, I installed this wig from Eunice Wigs, or actually no, I just got this band from Eunice Wigs, but I believe this is my daughter's wig and she got it from Amazon. She ended up getting her a new one, and she only wore this one time, so I was like, let me try it out, because I normally don't wear long hair. So it's pretty long, so just trying to put some curls in it, see how it goes. So yeah, I just want to record that, me getting ready, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and see what my husband's doing. On the agenda for today is take my little boy to like indoor arcade thingy so he can get out of the house. And my husband's job ended up sending him a thing today saying that they will buy dinner for the family. He donated his kidney to my daughter, like y'all have seen in my last video, and they did a whole little spread for his work and an article. So yeah, so they're treat him to dinner for today. So we'll have to pick a restaurant and they will order the food. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, but my husband's down there like recreating his car. Like he bought all this stuff to revamp his car. So we're gonna go down there and check that out, see what he done splurged money on. I'm trying to figure out how to prop y'all up. Okay, so I got my hair all curled up. I think my curls are falling out, so it's more like some little waves or whatever. But we're about to go out in this garage and see what my husband's got going on. That his job was, I had told you guys earlier when I was upstairs that his job was going to be ordering food for the family. So we was just out here getting the orders in and still working on the car. We were supposed to take our little boy to the thing, but I think we're gonna go ahead and take him to this like little park where they have like a little water park there, and then take him to do the games in the morning. So I don't know, but it's very humid out. I curled my hair and you can see that the curls have kind of off LL. I'm kind of new at installing wigs, front lace wigs, so I'm just trying it out and seeing how, if I can do it at home or if I have to go get it done by a professional. Okay guys, this is what my husband got done so far. Got the back seat.
What you gonna do with that?
What is it?
There's suction cup there.
Oh, and he said he got some more stuff coming, like a little gear, something for, what else? the shifter. And for where the speedometer is.
Something right there.
Some trim for right here. And floor mats. So we'll have it updated on this little vehicle. I don't know what he's trying to make it be. So we came on to the park because the sun went down and Demarion's his dad got all this stuff on him.
Shadow.
So he won't
Showing it to you.
the vlog. Did he even get better at pedaling?
No. I mean, he pedaled for a long distance. I still had to keep pushing, telling him go. Yes, you can, go.
Stop it. Stop it.
For what?
Stop it, Mommy, for something. Stop it for something. Stop it.
Wow. It is, what time is it? It's about 9 o'clock and it's still humid out here at the park, even though the sun is going down. It's so humid here. I will take dry heat over humidity anytime. What did he say?
When I go back to school.
Very soon. So we're about to just finish up and let him play on the park a little bit before they close the park down and go back home and finish up my dinner. He's out here trying to catch lightning bugs. He got this little lightning bug kit, but we don't have it here at the park where he can catch fireflies and put them in there. Up, you did.